It's that time of year again when I get so inspired by autumn themes. I've lit my pumpkin spice and cinnamon candles to make my studio smell deliciously cozy, and today I'm going to stay in my PJs this time. Stags always seem to make an appearance in my studio around this time, and I've been really enjoying painting on smaller canvases recently as well. So today I'm going to combine the two. I'm really enjoying painting smaller, and I think it's because smaller canvases don't demand as much pressure as a huge canvas does. If it doesn't work, I can just simply move on to the next. So I'm going to be experimenting today with different colours and painting my subject from different angles. I would like to say a huge thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes covering dozens of creative and entrepreneurial skills. The premium membership gives you unlimited access so you can join the classes and communities that are just perfect for you. It definitely inspires me when I'm having one of those creative dry patches. Thankfully I don't have too many of those, but still, I have been noticing that my creative spells seem to come in waves. I think they always have been like that, and maybe that's just how I work. But I'll be obsessed with painting for a few days and do nothing else, abandoning all housework, which makes me feel very guilty. And then I'll focus more on the business side, like photographing, social media, keeping my Etsy shop up to date, emails, accounting, pretty much everything else that comes with being a working artist. And the painting side tends to get ignored for a while. So I'm forever trying to find the balance between everything and just basically feel like I never find that balance. So in today's paintings, I basically have had a few ideas and all of them were completely different. So I wanted to try stags' heads from different angles, but also to play around with the colours. So the first painting was blue and cold, and this second one I'm playing around a lot more with warmer colours like pinks and oranges. And then the third is going to be a mixture of the two. So it's kind of an experiment that I'm working on. And I'm doing this with a mixture of acrylic paint. Most of the acrylics are from the Galleria range by Winsor & Newton. And I also want to try and add a hint of gold in each painting too, just for that autumnal feel. I know that so many of you would really love a stag tutorial, but honestly, I'm not sure if I'm good enough to tell you how or what you should be painting. If it's something that you really want, then I suppose I could try, but if it ends up a disaster, it might never go online, I'll just warn you. But that's why I'm really happy working with Skillshare, because I know that you guys love painting tips and tricks and tutorials, and that is what Skillshare is all about. So if you are interested, I've popped in the description box some of the links to the classes that I really love, that I watch again and again because they're so useful and inspirational. Skillshare is also incredibly affordable, especially when it's compared to face-to-face workshops. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month, and that's for access to all the classes over a range of different subjects. So because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, if you sign up today with the link, you can get a 2-month free trial and see how you like it. And like I say, I'm hoping to be more regular with YouTube. Things are a little bit up in the air at the moment as we're doing some renovations, so I'll be staying somewhere else for a while, which means sadly I won't have access to my studio, but I am planning on filming quite a few videos beforehand so that I can edit them while I'm away. But it's nothing fancy that's happening, it's just the heating system, so I won't have a fancy new studio to show you guys by the end of it, but I will have a warm studio, which is way more important to me. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to create these cute little guys, and they will be going up on my Etsy shop, so make sure you keep a lookout. And you can stay up to date with everything on my Instagram, which is Katie Jobling Art, so come say hi. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which hopefully will be very soon. Bye guys!